Oh, hella beard, it's your boy Big Beard B, and we back for another edition of Big Beard Business. Today, I have my handy dandy unboxing knife with me, which means I get to get a little surgical. Yes, today we have an unboxing from the good people over at Swiss Arabian. Listen, I've been holding on to this box for a while, so they might be upset, but I don't care. Excuse me, will you? I hate packing peanuts! If you ever send me something, don't put packing peanuts in there, okay? It's making me angry. And you won't like me when I'm angry. Packing peanuts. Who came up with that name any damn way? It's not a peanut, you can't eat it. All right, we got two things here. Now I'm gonna have packing peanuts all over the place. So, this first one here is a brown box, and it looks like someone stabbed it up before I could. But I guess it protected this box. It did its job. And then we have this one here, Shaghaf Oud Aswad 985. Listen, so I have a lot of Shaghaf Oud. So I have Shaghaf Oud Abyad, Shaghaf Oud. That's a lot of them. Now I have three. What am I talking about? All right, let's see how this one smells here. Packing peanuts all over the place. Oud Aswad. Aswad shut. It's a black matte bottle with a gold top. We like the black matte and the gold. It's like royalty. I don't know. So I think the crazy part about this is I actually had someone on either Snapchat or Instagram hit me up and say, Big Beard B, you should try this one out. I didn't know they were sending this to me, or maybe I did know they were sending me something. I just figured I didn't know this was in there. But like first impressions, I'm not a fan of this one. I don't like it. Like the oud is there. It kind of smells like it has some rose in there, but I get some incense in here. Now I don't think that incense is in the note breakdown. I'm gonna go just double check it, but right now I'm not a fan of this. If you like this type of scent, if you like these oudy incense rose type of fragrances, then this is one that you could work with, or one that would work for you. This is definitely strictly a colder weather fragrance. Now, according to their site, this one is a sweet, woody scent infused with Arabian oud. You can definitely detect the oud. I can almost taste it. It says this is for the sensual men and women. Now, I don't know any woman that's going to give you any play off this one right off the rip, so it takes a special woman to like this one. It says that this one features notes of musk, sandalwood, leather, agarwood, amber, and vanilla. You also have rose, thyme, saffron, coriander, cumin, more rose, and jasmine. So what that means is that this one is strong, aggressive, and strong. So the oud is there, rose is a strong note, oud is a strong note, so you have to like those two a lot to enjoy this fragrance. Right now, as it stands right now, I'm not a fan of this one, so I'm gonna put this one to the side. But let's see what we got in here. This one is Oud Maknoon. You guys can open it up with me. Ooh. Wow. Wow. I can tell right now this shit's going to be strong. Anytime your fragrances come like this, it just means boss. All right, you got the gold on gold. On gold, this shit gonna be oud galore. Did I just try to smell it? I just tried to smell the outside of the cap. That's crazy. Good detail on the bottle for those of you who care about that sort of stuff. And here we go, man. Swiss Arabian Oud Maknoon. Or Maknoon. Definitely different than what I was expecting for this one, and not in a bad way. I expected this one to be uber aggressive, uber oud on top of oud on top of oud, like a orgy of oud. This one's an interesting scent to me because, again, I thought that this one was going to be a very aggressive oud, but to me, it's very spicy. This kind of has this barbershop vibe to it. Not saying that this is a barbershop scent, but it does have some like hints of it, right? It smells like it could be it. And I'm not sure if it's coming from the spiciness of this, which is probably what it is, as I don't think that Oud Maknoun is a barbershop fragrance. Now, according to the site, this one has pepper in the top. You also have rose in the mid, and then you have agarwood, amber, and musk in the base. This one isn't bad. Like, I think this one is a solid fragrance. I do like this one. Think about this. This one is a rich fragrance. It's kind of sweet, but not overly sweet, and it's fresh and green at the same time. This has a lot of different things going on with this. I think there's more to this than the note breakdown lets on, because I smell so many different vibes with this one. That green, right out the gate, is green and spicy. And then it has like a slight barbershop vibe to it. But also, it's kind of from a distance, the missus from where she is, this one smells like kind of like a cigar, like a rich cigar. So I definitely think if you are into like interesting scents like this, or just if you want that grown man smell, then this is one that you can wear. Like if you're gonna go your button down on some jeans, you got your loafers, you feeling like real player, like you pull this one out, and I think this one will work for you. I like it. I don't feel like this one's for a younger guy though. If you maybe under 30, you probably don't want to wear this one, unless that's your type of vibe. 30 and over for this one will probably be your sweet spot. If you're in college or something, you're wearing this one to school, no go. I think this one is really when you out and about, cooler weather, will definitely work out. But damn, I do like it, and I did not expect to like this one based on that one, but this one is a solid one. So I do like that one. 2 from the house of Swiss Arabian, just for a quick unboxing to share this with you guys, and I will bring you 4 reviews down the line, given that you guys say, hey, Big BB, I want to see that fast. You know this is how this works, right? You say, hey, Big BB, I want to see a fragrance. I go ahead and tally them up, and whichever one gets the most votes come to you first. So there you have it, guys. I'm your boy, Big BB. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend that we are back again, and tell them don't be a maknoun, whatever that means. Hit the goddamn bell.